Hey everybody, welcome back. This video is all about the giveaway. I talked about it in my last video, so hopefully you guys got to check that out, get some info on what this is going to be about. So, NWT up in Canada and I have partnered together and we've created this giveaway, and what we're doing is we're going to give away one of their full Morty systems along with a set of their controllers that pair with this that are pre-wired. So you might be asking yourself, what is the Morty? This Morty system is the entire brain of the electrical system on your bike. It's what I use, the exact same system on the CX500 here, and it controls all of the features on your bike. You know, it powers your ignition, it powers your running light, your brake light, your tail light, of course, your turn signals, your horn, the high, low beam. It does it all. And it's a very compact, simple, well-made system using modern technology that's going to make it reliable for years to come. Now, the bonus of this, obviously you're going to get the controls here, and that's going to make half the installation that much easier. But to go a step further, all you have to do, you're going to be treated as a customer from NWT, okay? And all you got to do is email them, and they're going to go ahead and provide a full detailed wiring diagram specific to your needs, specific to your particular combination. So whenever you email them, all you're going to have to do is just be very detailed and thorough on what you're working on, what kind of components you have, and they're going to draw up a diagram for you, and it's going to be detailed. They do this for all of their customers, which nobody else does. You're not going to beat their customer service. All right, so beyond the Morty system, the winner is also going to get a Brickhouse Builds sticker pack along with either a black or a gray Brickhouse Builds mesh hat. You can use the stickers, you can do whatever you want with them, slap them on your neighbor's cat, mailbox, I don't care. Just make sure you hashtag Brickhouse Builds on the Instagram post. Now, the competition is going to be real simple. In the description of this video, there's going to be a link to the competition gate, basically. You go follow that, and to enter, all you have to do is follow the link within that, and that's going to take you to the NWT website, okay? That's going to get you 2 entries to the competition, and then from there, you're set, unless you want to go a step further and increase your chances. From there, you're going to have the option of following a couple more links, and that's like checking out my YouTube page or checking out my Instagram, NWT's Instagram, Facebook, whatever. Those are going to get you more entries into the same competition. It doesn't cost you anything. It's really easy to do. And all you have to do is provide your email and contact information. So assuming you win, I can contact you and we can get the prizes out the door to you. And this is going to be U.S. only. As many of you know, shipping is just a nightmare right now. So we're going to do this one just U.S. only this time around. And maybe we'll change some up in the future. I don't know. The control system, again, pretty easy to wire up. You run some powers and grounds to it, and then your inputs and outputs. It's pretty self-explanatory. There are diagrams on the website itself that you can follow, but again, if you email NWT, those guys are going to create a diagram for you. So as far as your lighting control, you can tell, or you can see with the brake light here, when you apply the brakes, there's going to be an automatic like triple flash pattern as an added safety feature. You can modify that. There's different options within that already built in. Same thing for the headlight control. Another feature, whenever you use the turn signals, it has an auto dim feature for the headlight, and that's to make sure that other cars can see your turn signals the best they can, giving them best opportunity to be visible. Beyond that, it's going to have your gauge control. It has like gauge backlight power it provides. That's what I'm using to power the COSO gauge here on the Switch 12. Takes your ignition control from your kill switch, and that'll power your ignition system. So it works better than factory. It's a real compact system. There's no need for a lot of extra stuff. It's very well made, and I'm really happy to use it. We've had a lot of good luck with it. So there you have it, guys. This giveaway is a lot of fun. It's for a great product, and it's just helping that community. We want to see you guys out riding your bikes, and that's what this is all about. So very simple to enter. All you have to do, follow a few links. You're going to be entered. And if you want to go a step further, follow a few more links. Just check out our pages. I just want to try to get this information out to you guys. So we're going to run this competition for a few weeks, and then I'll be updating as we go. You'll see me update about this in other videos and stuff like that. But at the end of those 3 weeks, whenever the competition's up, I will announce a winner, and I will be contacting you. So be sure to check your spam box. You know, like I don't want to have that email get lost. You don't want to miss out on this stuff. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enter. I hope we play. I want as much involvement with this as possible. Go ahead and check out all the social media stuff that I'm going to share with this. And yeah, let's have some fun with this. So anyway, hope you guys like this video. Hope to see you in the next one.